When I was younger, my friends used to say that I have a resemblance or I look like Tsar Nicholas II of Russia. And now that I'm a bit older and the beard is a bit grayer, they say I look like King George V of the United Kingdom. Or the older version of King George V. Now, bizarrely enough, those two are related. They're cousins. Now, remember at the beginning of the year, we talked about Onderzoekscompetenties. So basically your skill to do a bit of research, a small kind of research. And I thought today, since next week there's a public holiday, so you would have like a 2-week task. Today is the day that we do a bit of research. You have now two names, Tsar Nicholas of Russia and King George V of the United Kingdom. Now, do a bit of research. When did these people live? When did they marry? Who did they marry? How did they end? How did they die? Spoiler alert, Nicholas II really died a horrible death. And maybe you can find out why King George V is actually the reason we have a Queen Elizabeth II on the throne. Have a look at that. Try and find some information. Now, with every task or with every essay that you write or with every research that you do for a paper, you always have to find out good sources, and you have to also, of course, credit all sources. So if you find information, then please do credit the sources where you found them. Remember the structure, introduction, the middle, and a conclusion. I'll leave it up to you what you want to tell me about the two people that you have found, their relationships, their relationships to each other, with other people. I leave that up to you. I leave that quite open, but do a bit of research about these two people and write that in an essay. That would be my task for this week, next week, and deadline would be in 2 weeks' time. I look forward to it, and if there's questions, please email me or we can discuss it in the live section. In the meantime, I hope you have a fabulous Monday, fabulous week, and see you soon. Take care for now.